Hello, Sudoku guys, welcome back with the fourth Sudoku. It's a tectonic, yes, it's a tectonic, and this will be number 4, the last Sudoku I will solve in today's additional daily newspaper of Saturday, November the 21st, 2020. Yes, the last Sudoku for today. It will be, and this will be number 1920. Alright, so let's get started. Can we see here or find the single box? I cannot see any single boxes here. Dual boxes? No, yes, dual box. The 1 and the 2. Let me mark those, 1 and the 2. Well, it cannot be a 2. If it's a 2, those 4 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. And this box cannot be a 2. I need a 2 in one of those 5 boxes. So this should be a 1 and this should be a 2. That means those 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then these 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. It's not making me easier. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 3 boxes, but this box cannot be a 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 here, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, the 3 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those. Alright. These 4 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those, 3 and the 4. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or there. But I see here a 1. So this cannot be a 1. So only 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 and the 5 goes there as a pair. So the other pair should be 1 and a 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4 and cannot be a 5. Yes, 4. So 2 boxes left, the 2 and a 3. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes, so this box cannot be a 3. This box should be a 3. and this should be a 4. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1. The 1 goes here. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore, so this should be the 4. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes here. The 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 5. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so this should be a 4. Yeah. Yeah. This box should be a cannot be a 5 or a 3 because I need a 3 and a 5 there. So it cannot be a 1, could be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, and cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. So this box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here, so the 1, 2, and 3 goes there. So the 4 and the 5 goes here. Do not know in which order. 1, 3, yes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 4. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 4. This box cannot be a 5, so the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes together as a pair with the 2. So 1 box left for the 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. It's a quadra box, so 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left should be the 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 5. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1, should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And 1 box left in this area for the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Now we have a 3 here, so this can be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 5. Then. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. Those 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Let me see. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So the other pair should be 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should... double 4! This cannot be... This is not wrong. This should be a 5. Well, the 3 is correct. Alright. When have I placed this 4? This 4 is not correct. This 4 is not correct. I do not know why I placed this 4. Let me correct this. Because we have a 4 there. Very strange. What have I done? Alright. So this box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So the 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So it's finished. Maybe a small error here. Finish in 12 minutes. I'm very, very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button or bell icon, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday. Bye-bye for now.